I just found out about a new mind-blowing software, and honestly, if this was available when I began affiliate marketing, I'd have paid a fortune for it. Why I'm making a video about this is because every beginner affiliate needs to know how this software can make your affiliate marketing journey a whole lot faster and simpler. So in this video, I'm going to go over how this software can automatically set you up a full-fledged affiliate marketing system that promotes 20+ best of the best affiliate programs for you with email automation sequences, which runs for 12+ months. And the most awesome part about this is to set all of this up, it will take you 30 minutes. To be honest, even I was skeptical about this. But to my surprise, this is real and this works. This is literally the thing I wish I had when I was starting out my affiliate marketing journey. First off, I have to tell you that I haven't seen anything like this before, and I've been just blown away by the sheer awesomeness of this unfair tool. This is a complete game changer. If you've been in the affiliate marketing ecosystem for quite some time, by now you should know about the only working system in affiliate marketing. If not, pay extra attention to the next bit. This system you can see on your screen is the only way to make money passively through affiliate marketing, and the only way you can somewhat automate your affiliate marketing business to make even $10,000 per month. But this is also the part where beginner affiliates fail miserably. Even me. When I was starting out, there was so many holes in my system and a lot of pieces missing to complete it, and ironically, didn't even know what I was missing. And most of all, there were so many little things I had to figure out by myself, and boy, was it frustrating. But with the tool I'm going to show to you in a bit, you can promote 20+ best affiliate programs like Legendary Marketer and Wealth Warriors, without you writing a single email and without you creating highly advanced email automation sequences or funnel systems, because all of that is done for you inside of Jonathan Montoya's FunnelFreedom.io. The whole affiliate system, which includes all the email automation sequences and funnel systems, has been built by Jonathan Montoya. And it's based on the exact system he uses to generate thousands of dollars every single month. If you don't know who he is a 7-figure affiliate who has even won the 2 Comma Club Award for making more than $1 million inside of ClickFunnels. In the past, I have bought some of his online courses, and I can confidently say that he knows what he's doing and he is a trustworthy person. If you're a complete beginner, building this entire system can take you more than a month, and you would have to do all of this by yourself. You're going to have to build out your system using a bunch of different softwares. But with FunnelFreedom, all the funnels, email automation sequences, which by the way lasts for 12+ months, have already been created. And all of the features are fully interconnected, and all you have to do is come over here and put in your affiliate links inside of this software. If you're not an affiliate to these companies, Jonathan will provide you with all the information so you can go sign up to these ASAP. And you can add your social media links here to connect with your contacts. And that's the entire process. Now you got an up and running affiliate marketing system. Compared to 30 days and 30 minutes, this is really mind-blowing. Even though the word mind-blowing gets thrown at everything these days, this thing is truly mind-blowing. And if you are somewhat of a tech savvy, you can edit out any of the funnels or emails and add anything you want to this system. Sorry I have to pause this video to let you know that I have an affiliate link to FunnelFreedom.io in the description down below, so you can click and sign up for FunnelFreedom.io at any time as you're watching this video. Yes, it's an affiliate link. That's how this channel gets paid, but it's still my honest opinion. Okay, back to the video. Now, to use as the lead magnet in this whole affiliate marketing system, you can use this free white label course that's also provided to you by FunnelFreedom.io. By adding your first name and some basic things like that, FunnelFreedom will generate you a free white label course with all your information, which you can use as your own lead magnet. And throughout this free course, there will be these links to different products and softwares, and all of these will be your affiliate links, and you can earn commissions from that. Now, even though this system isn't something groundbreaking because literally every super affiliate uses this, what's impressive is that all of this was created in just 30 minutes. And even if people didn't buy anything after going through this course, you don't have to worry because the done-for-you system, it will automatically re-promote it to your contacts, and you can make money in the long run. Now, maybe you're wondering about if you can keep the emails you send to this free course. The answer is absolutely you can. By coming over here to the contacts section, you can find all the contacts you have, and if you want to, you can import contacts by clicking here. And something I find very thought out in this software is that inside of these 12 months long email automations, they have also added these value emails which will be automatically sent out to your contacts. Now, why is this so important? Think about it like this. If you're constantly getting bombarded with promoting emails, then you're going to get annoyed and unsubscribe from that list, right? With these value emails, you can stop that from happening because you aren't always promoting something and you are giving actual value to your contacts. Then your contacts have a reason to stay in your email list. If you are a beginner affiliate, then there is a huge possibility that this is the first time you have even heard about value emails. And also you can change any of the value emails and promoting emails to ones that you have created. There is no restrictions to only use the emails given to you by FunnelFreedom. Now this whole thing you see here, this entire system will be built after you enter all the main details I told you about. The only thing you need to take care of is getting traffic to this system. Again, if you're a beginner, you can use the free white label course provided to you by this to use as your own lead magnet to collect people's emails. So what's the final thoughts about FunnelFreedom.io? Well, it's actually an awesome tool, especially if you're a beginner to this whole affiliate marketing thing, and if you are an affiliate who hasn't yet built out this system by yourself. Now, this tool comes with a free trial, and after that free trial, this will be $97 per month. If you have a budget like this, then for this price, I think it will be absolutely worth it to create a FunnelFreedom account. Because if you were to create this system by yourself with a bunch of different tools, then it's going to cost much more than $97. And more importantly, this will be a great base to start your affiliate marketing business. Because after some time, you can swap out all of the things that this system gives you to stuff that you have created and expand it faster. So what I would recommend is for you to actually go ahead and get the free trial and see for yourself what FunnelFreedom actually is and how this all functions. So if you're interested in creating a FunnelFreedom account, please use the link in the description to get the free trial. And if you one day create a paid FunnelFreedom account, I will get a small commission from that because that's how this channel makes money. So I hope you learned something interesting from this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one.